In this video, we're going to be talking about how to contact booking.com customer service. So let's just get straight into the video. Open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for booking.com and then customer service. Now click on the first link right over here, which is going to be this customer service tab. Here you can simply go ahead and tap on go to help center down here. And now you can simply go ahead and click on get help with a booking, and you can simply go ahead and select a category right over here if you want to. Or what you can also do is simply go ahead and look for the support tab, contact customer service again down here. Simply click on others on the frequently asked questions. Click on I need help with something else. And then you'll be able to simply go ahead and head straight into the chat and then talk to them. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.